guys, I'm back working on the 70 Nova. I was going to turn the camera around and show you what I've already started on. Taking the window trim off, and figured I'd show you how it comes off, because I haven't taken any off before until now. So I'll show you what I've found out the easiest way to take it off. All right, you can see that I've already got them off, but it's going to be a whole lot easier to show you how it comes off with it already off, because you'll be able to see what the clip is actually doing. If you got the chrome trim that goes around the windshield and around the bottom of the windshield, and you got your cowl piece on, you want to take the few screws holding the cowl piece on, take it off, and then the piece that holds, what holds the bottom chrome piece on are screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you got one in the jamb, which this one, somebody didn't put the ones in the door jamb back, but you do have one in the door jamb also. But once you get that out of the way, because this bottom piece overlaps the side pieces, you want to take it off first. But when you get that out of the way, there's a couple different tools you could use. I have one of these. There's the part number right there if you want to try and get you one. It's for stuff like this, but you can also get by with just a pick if you like, something like a 90-degree pick. And then if you have like a plastic spoon, I guess you call it a spoon, that's what I call it. You could use it up against the glass without damaging the glass to pull up on the chrome trim. And then if you're just using a pick with the chrome trim up, you want to get up under the chrome trim and behind the clip and pull outwards. And what that does is just release it from the chrome trim, and you can pull the trim up, and that's all it takes to do it. And then once you get the first one done, just move up to the top, slide your pick under, and pull out and release it. This tool makes it a little bit easier because you can put it flat against the windshield and pull it up, and then just turn it, and it acts as like a wedge. So these work pretty good too, but sometimes you still have to even use the pick to get them. It's hard to look through the camera and do it too, but just like that right there, it's nice and flat, and it kind of has a curve at the bottom. But just work your way around it, and then once you get about this one out, these two, you can pull the trim out this way, and it just slide out from them two, so you don't have to stretch across to try and pop them loose. But the rear is basically the same thing, same kind of clips. Fox body Mustangs use a clip basically just like this, so the trim around your Fox body Mustang, it'll work the same way. And then the bottom, but on the rear glass, you want to take the bolts out of the bottom chrome trim piece first. That way, because it inserts in the corner of your side pieces, kind of like the front. So you want to take your bottom one off first, and then there's two different pieces, and one slides into the other, and it acts the same way as the windshield. So the rear glass is basically the same. But I figured I'd share that with you, and I'm gonna get back to sanding on this thing.